Tutorial on this transition style. Get your clips ready. Go at start of clip which you want shakes to begin, then freeze it. Overlay the frozen clip and slide under previous clips. Go remove background, then custom removal. Brush the car. Drag the car out of frame. Add keyframe start and a keyframe on the last beat before the shakes begin. Drag the car as I do on second keyframe. Add a keyframe before clip ends, then make the car smaller and drag it a bit to the top. Add a keyframe at end, then position the car in the original position. Go graphs, then put quad out between first and second keyframes, and also second and third keyframes. Put cubic in between last keyframes. Duplicate the overlay, then slide it under. Go effects, then solution. Go object, then select first overlay. Put speed 5, glow 100, size and range on 0, intensity 50 and no change to the others. Go effects, then ripple. Make the effect last under one clip. Put speed and intensity 100, others on 0. Duplicate the effect and slide under next clip. Go effects, then shake. Go object, then select all videos. Make the effect last half the clip. Add keyframe at start, then put both settings on 100. Add keyframe at end, then put both settings on 0. Duplicate the effect and slide it next to shake. Put both settings 0 on first keyframe, then both on 100 on last keyframe.